What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you early NFT projects that worth keep an eye on because I think they have huge potential in the future, and I think you still have a chance to get yourself a whitelist spot because they're still an early stage. So before I'm going to show you the project, I'm going to ask you if you can do me a favor, follow me on Twitter. I would really appreciate. And one more thing, everything that I state in this video is just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So first project, it's called Evolve. There is not a whole lot of information about this project, and at the time of recording this video they have 13,000 followers. They don't have a website yet or Discord, at least not that I know of. Maybe they do have in a background, but at least they're not advertising yet. And then if we scroll down right here, they have little teaser here they posted on July 11th, and as you can see it's actually getting quite a bit of interaction. It has already 5,000 likes, 3,000 retweets and 3,000 comments. And if we play this trailer, there's not a whole lot in the trailer, but it still looks pretty cool. And then it's coming soon. And then if we scroll down more, as you can see, there is another post. Looks like one of their arts is actually printed on a card. Scroll down more, looks like there is a YouTube video and another piece of art. So I think this project is still at early stage and it's worth to keep an eye on. Next project, it's called Gobblers, and I'm not actually the first one who's talking about this project. There's actually many other YouTubers talked about, Crypto Gorilla and I think NFT Pasta and some other YouTubers. So this one's still at early stage, doesn't have a whole lot of information. They have 10,000 followers, and if you scroll down, this project has only 3 or 4 teasers on their Twitter, and it's actually getting quite a bit of interaction as well. It already has 11,000 views on this specific one, and it was posted almost 10 days ago, has 600 likes, 200 retweets. And if we scroll down more, as you can see, this is kind of like a Rick and Morty style. We're not sure who's the actual creator or artist of this specific NFT project, and there is another teaser in here as well. So this is another project I think has a huge potential in the future, and I think it's worth to keep an eye on. And the last project, it's called Ooga Booga. Again, there's not a whole lot, just Ooga Booga. Then they have their Discord. They actually post that today, but you actually have to have some kind of role or some kind of access to access the full Discord. I found this actually project a couple days ago, and it only had I think less than 5,000 followers. And right now, a few days later, they already have almost 60,000 followers. And if we scroll down, it's getting a little bit of interaction, and like this post is actually getting a lot more. And if you'll click on pre-mint, you can register and hopefully get yourself a whitelist spot. I'm not sure if this is going to be a free mint or not. Looks like it might, but it's not confirmed, at least on their Twitter account. As you can see, this one is getting actually a lot of interaction as well, and looks like this project is only like 5 or 6 days old. At least that's when their first post was made on their Twitter, and according to their post, looks like they're not doing any collabs, but they already are. I've seen UghaBughaNFT and a couple other alpha groups already collabing with them and promoting them, so that's why their followers are growing like crazy. And this is pretty much it. That's the 3 projects I'm keeping an eye on because I think they will have potential in the future and they look very interesting projects. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave links in the description below, and if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.